to New York City. If you're new here, my name is Lauren, and we are here for New York Fashion Week, and I'm so excited. We're bringing Will along, and everyone is so shocked that he's here.
Look, I feel like it's my obligation as a boyfriend to be here as security because, you know, she's very pretty and can be nabbed up out of nowhere, and I gotta be here to protect her.
We did go to New York earlier this summer, and we vlogged it, and Will didn't have that great of a time, so we are using what we know now. Everyone knew. Everyone knew.
Y'all be making these assumptions.
No, it was not assumptions.
I don't like New York, and I'm, you know.
Whatever. Anyways, we wanted to go ahead and start the vlog because we're heading to breakfast. I'm very excited. You'd be so proud of me, Will. I've only made reservations for today, and I'm not even thinking about tomorrow. It's progress.
Y'all just saw her lie on camera.
No, nothing is done tomorrow.
I know, but thinking about it.
Well, I am kind of thinking about it. But I will show you like our beautiful city view and everything like that. I cannot wait to bring you along. I've always wanted to go to New York Fashion Week, and so I'm very excited to be here. But we're about to get in the Uber because we're going to be late for our reservation, and we know how that ended up last time. So let's get in the Uber.
That was good.
'Cause you know that I'm already there. Ready to lift off. Don't give it a second thought. Pack up your bags and let's get out of here. What if we flew to a sea of stars, out of the galaxy then beyond? Get some perspective on making the earth disappear. One night of making the hourglass stop, one night of letting the pressure come off. Finally, carefree. We'll do exactly what we want. No one can tell us that we're not immortal. Tonight we're immortal. Tonight, yeah, let's make a scene. We might be young, but at least we feel immortal. Tonight we're immortal. Immortal. Tonight we're immortal.
All right, so we went back to the hotel to change, and we actually walked back from breakfast. Breakfast was really good. I gave it like a 9.5 out of 10. Will is back here on the bed. What did you say you would rank breakfast?
Breakfast, I would go with, I mean, honestly, as a breakfast place, if you're coming to New York, wait till lunch or, you know, I didn't get to see their dinner menu. It's not a breakfast spot for me.
I liked it. He just got a Caesar salad. It was brunch. It wasn't breakfast. It was brunch.
Yeah, I mean, like, the only real breakfast things there were pancakes and French toast.
Well, anyways, I got the French toast. We went to, how do you, Nomo Soho?
Something like that. Nomu Soho.
I don't know, but it was really good. It was really cutie. But now we're about to be leaving for lunch. We'll be seeing you there. It's really cutie, and it's very pink. So I had to change for the picture.
Ready, set, let's go. Head off to the light show. Let every beat of the bass take you further away. We'll make our own world. We paid our dues, yeah, I think we've earned a moment of living it up, even just for a day. One night of making the hourglass stop, one night of letting the pressure come off. Finally, carefree. We'll do exactly what we want. No one can tell us that we're not immortal. Tonight we're immortal. Tonight, yeah, let's make a scene. We might be young, but at least we feel immortal. Tonight we're immortal. Immortal.
Hello, welcome back to the hotel. So I took my makeup off. I have been doing like a get ready with me for the Sherri Hill fashion show. I was invited to the Sherri Hill fashion show, and oops, low-key one of my biggest achievements in life. I was like, whoa, I am so excited to go. Y'all know I love Sherri. I wore her dress in the 2 pageants that I did do and absolutely just love it. The quality is amazing, and I have a new Sherri dress to wear for tonight, and I can't wait to share with you. So anyways, I've been filming like a little get ready with me on my TikTok, so if you want to go see that, check that out. But for right now, I'm just kind of letting my eyelashes dry and making sure that they're on. I was not a huge fan of my makeup earlier, so I'm trying harder right now. I'm gonna move you over here since I am taking like a little mini break. Okay, hey. Also, Will is gone right now. He has gone to go get me a Starby. Y'all, did I tell you that Starby followed me on TikTok? Anyways, I did this fun little blue look. I think it'll look better once everything is kind of on. I haven't done like contouring, blush, or like mascara or anything yet, but I've just been getting ready. Lunch was so good. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but I will be linking like the restaurants, my outfits, hotel, everything like that down below for you. It was so yummy. Even Will really liked the lunch. And last time, y'all know last time in the vlog, he did not like New York. So I'm very happy he's here, and he is already having a really like more fabulous time than he did last time. Besides, when we flew here, we had a screaming, crying baby right in front of us, and it was not a great way to start the trip. And I was like, oh my gosh, if this is how we're gonna have to start this trip, I don't know what's gonna happen. Day one is wrapping up. Tonight, all I have is the Sherri Hill show. I think Will and I are going to like dinner and get some drinks at like a rooftop bar or something. I told him he is in charge. I was like, you can pick whatever. Oh, my hair just got stuck in this. I was like, you can pick dinner, you can pick drinks or whatever. But while I'm at the Sherri show, he was like, well, I'm just gonna like stay close and like, you know, drive there with you and like make sure you're good and safe, and like you get inside and then like just text me when you're done. So I don't know what he's gonna do when I'm at the fashion show, but he is coming with me tomorrow to the Revolve Gallery. So that is very exciting. Okie dokie, I am dressed and ready to go. I will be showing you my full dress a little bit later. We are about to be getting in the Uber to head to the Plaza Hotel for the Sherri Hill fashion show.
Holding up for your love, don't waste my time. Got me walking on wire. Ay, 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 ay. Right away, then you set my sky on fire. Honey, make up your mind. Ay, 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 ay. We've been dancing round the signs, caught between us eye to eye. There is a new song. Both the ceiling and the floor disappearing back and forth, nothing to stand on. Oh, I don't want you to go, don't. But I don't want half your heart. If you love me, would you say so? Don't keep me in the dark. Holding up for your love, don't waste my time. Got me walking on wire. Ay, 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 ay. Right away, then you set my sky on fire. Honey, make up your mind. Ay, 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 ay. Got me walking on wire. Ay, 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 ay. Honey, make up your mind. Ay, 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 ay. Try to be so even keeled, but I don't know how to feel when you're gone so long. Then you come around again, pick me up and call me friend. Friends don't touch the way we do. But I don't want you to go, don't. But I don't want half your heart. If you love me, then just say so. Don't keep me in the dark. Don't keep me in the dark. Holding up for your love, don't waste my time. Got me walking on wire. Ay, 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 ay. Right away, then you set my sky on fire. Honey, make up your
Welcome back. We just got done at the Sherri Hill show. It was so much fun. I absolutely loved it. I tried to get as many shots of it as I could for y'all, so it's like y'all could be there. But if you want to see the full show, I think like Sherri Hill puts it up on the website, like not the full thing, but like little highlights of everything on their website to see like a little bit better clips than what I got. But change into this outfit, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this is the outfit for tonight. I have on these sparkle pants, this little halter top, these little pink booties, and then this was the dress I wore. I will link link it down below for you. Probably will be selling on my Depop very soon just because it didn't fit me the way that I wanted it to. It was like a little bit big in the bust, but it was this really pretty light blue butterfly dress. I absolutely loved it. I just didn't have time to get it altered, so it was kind of annoying me like trying to pull it up all night. But other than that, absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, Will and I are about to be heading out for the night to get some drinks. So I think our hotel has a hotel rooftop bar that I think we're going to go to. I'm not too sure. We'll probably find somewhere to go. But day one is almost officially complete.
Taking one more breath beside you.
Okay, welcome to day 2. We are about to head out to Revolve Gallery. Will is getting dressed right now, and I just got dressed in this really cute outfit. I'll be linking it down below for you, but I can't wait to bring you along for this really fun day.
High dive in the indigo, cool down when I'm all alone. I let it go. Talk over the radio, think fast but we're moving slow. It's what we know. If you're coming over, I just wanna be real with somebody, somebody like me. If I tell you how I'm feeling, would you say that you want me, that you want me? 'Cause I'm so sick of all the noise, all the back and forth. Just wanna find a still place where I could go. I lose myself, I cannot help it, I'm emotional. Oh, if you feel like this, would you let me know? Would you let me know? Please let me know. Would you let me know? Oh, if you feel like this, would you let me know? Would you let me know? Please let me know. Would you let me know?
Hello! We are leaving. It is our last day. Of course, Will is ecstatic.
Yeah.
I just got finished crying because Will took this little bandy thing and didn't know it was elastic and then flicked it, and now I have a mark on my belly and it hurts really bad. So I just got done crying.
Yeah.
It hurts so bad.
It's okay, at least we'll get you out of this rotten city.
Will,
I know it just gives you pain being here, you know,
no. That's...
Just like it does me.
Anyway, last night was really fun. We went to go see Aladdin and it was really good.
It was really good.
Yeah, I've turned Will into liking little Broadway shows.
Me.
We also, what else did we do last night?
We ate Chinese.
Yeah, we ordered Chinese late last night because it was so busy here.
Ridiculous.
Like, everywhere had a line to get in, bars, restaurants, like, it was just very crazy outside. So we just decided to order in and, like, go to bed pretty early. I think we're going to go get a bagel.
I don't know what time it is, so it's really...
It's 9.
Okay. We can go get a bagel.
But this is how we go. Gotta give it up sometimes, let's go. And knowing when to kill your pride. There's no one to blame, nothing really stays the same. This is how we go. Sometimes we hold on to let go.
We're in the airport,
About
about to board the plane. I have been editing pictures. Will has been watching stuff about the UFC fight or something. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
And then about your hobbies.
See? Football.
I don't know, actually, but we're about to get on the plane. Hey guys, welcome back to Tuscaloosa, Alabama. We are back from New York City. I had such a fun time. I'm going to recap a little bit because I noticed when I started editing this video today that I didn't really talk as much as I thought I did. I was just so like in the moment during this trip, so I hope that you enjoyed the little bits and pieces that I showed you. The Sherri Hill show, absolutely phenomenal. I absolutely loved it. It was so much fun and it was so beautiful. And I also sat across from Dylan, which is Hannah G from like The Bachelor, Bachelorette, her fiance, and it was so much fun. Like, oh my goodness, it was just a lot of fun. The second day was the day that I noticed I didn't really get to talk a lot, so I'm gonna like talk more about it. Also, if you need links for anything, I'll leave them down below, but also on my TikTok and Instagram, I shared some more like behind the scenes things like that. So you can look at the TikToks that I posted, and then on Instagram, I have like a highlight reel, and then also like I have like my food recommendations and picture inspirations and stuff like that on there. But we went to the Revolve Gallery. It was a lot of fun. If you want a more in-depth, that one's on my TikTok, like actually bringing you through Revolve Gallery. It was so cute. We also ate at this sushi place. It was in like the building that the Revolve Gallery was in, so I don't really remember the name of it, but it was really good. It didn't fill us up. We were still very hungry afterwards, but then we went to go see Aladdin, and Aladdin was so amazing. Like 10 out of 10 recommend. It was really good. Will has never been like a really big theater person, but both times we've gone to New York, we've seen a Broadway show, and every single time after, he is so thrilled and so like ecstatic about it. Like, you just leave in a really good mood. So that was really fun as well. We had safe travels back. We hit like a lot of clouds and rain on the way back, but it didn't make like the flight bad or like, you know, longer or whatever. I hope y'all enjoy this video and coming along with me for my first New York Fashion Week. I'm so sad that we couldn't stay longer. I obviously had school, so I missed one day of class to be able to go to New York because of my schedule and everything, but Will also had to take off of work, so I absolutely loved going for the time that I did. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to join the family, you can click that subscribe button also. I love you guys so much, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye!
'Cause you know that I'm already